Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 Freightliner M2-106. Folks, this is a beautiful unit, 25-foot long bed with a universal mounting kit, 102-inch wide all steel bed. Folks, this unit is a 350 horsepower Cummins with 155,000 miles on it. It's a 6-speed automatic. This unit is equipped with cruise control, engine brake, diff lock, heated mirrors, and dump valve. Air conditioning also in this unit, folks. It makes a beautiful unit to run your business with. As I hop out here, we're gonna open up the engine hood and let you hear it run. As I said, it's a 350 horsepower Cummins. It's in phenomenal condition. I'm going to shut the truck off for you, take you all the way around the truck. Folks, this unit is riding on 225, almost like new tires. Brake condition is 80% or better. Refurbed rims with chrome tip. As you can see, the front bumper has all been repainted. Matching tires both sides. As you can see, that Cummins 350 engine. This unit is equipped with dual aluminum tanks. This unit comes with brand new straps. Steel bed, all been turbo blasted and repainted. We get back here to the back, folks. We got some Goodyear tires, 225, refurbed outer rim, excellent condition, beautiful tread all the way around. These tires look almost brand new. This is an air ride suspension, 40,000 in the rear, 13,220 in the front. As we get to the rear here, folks, you can see the universal mounting kit. We'll carry a Moffett, a Princeton, and many other brands. As we come back to the driver's side here, you can see matching tires all the way around, 225 steel refurbed rim, excellent tire condition. Brand new buyer's toolbox. As I said, it does have dual 50-gallon aluminum tanks. Folks, this is Equipment Remarketing. I want to thank you for your time. You can give us a call at 260-238-4998 and take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can take a look at our available trucks, trailers, forklifts, ready to come work for you.